bird watching. Boy, it's a great day for bird watching, Weenie Girl. Look, Weenie, there goes a yellow-winged butterbird. Now, if we're very still and very quiet, she won't fly away. Oh, what scared her away?
Hi, Oswald. Hi, Weenie. What you doing?
Hi, Daisy. We're bird watching.
Bird watching? That's Kino Yakarino. Can I bird watch with you?
Okay, but if you want to bird watch, you have to be very still and very quiet so you don't scare the birds away, okay?
Sure.
Shh.
I mean, sure. That'll be easy.
Okay, come on. Daisy, your pogo stick is too boingy.
Oops. Sorry. Wowie kazowie! What a beautiful feather! Let's find this bird, Oswald.
We will, if we're quiet. Oh, look over there. I think I see a blue boo-boo bird. Boo-boo. Boo-boo.
A blue boo bird? Where? Where?
Whoa, whoa! Oh, Daisy, that noisy pogo stick scared the boo-boo bird away.
Oops. Sorry.
If you want to bird watch, you have to be very still and very quiet.
Okay, I will. I'll leave my pogo stick right here.
Very still, very quiet. It's very easy once you try it. Don't make noise, whisper words. Otherwise, you'll scare the birds. Look and listen silently, quietly. Did you hear that?
There it is again.
Gee, I've never heard a bird call like that before.
Let's go find it. Look, Oswald. Another spotted feather. Maybe it belongs to the Mita bird.
Maybe I'll look around. Oh, boy! There's a nest of red whippersnappers right in that tree.
Gee, they're so small. May I look through your binoculars, Oswald?
In a second, Daisy. Wow, they're beautiful. Okay, now you take a look, Daisy. Daisy?
Hey, Oswald. You can see the birds much better from up here. Hey, birdies. Where you going?
Daisy, you're not being very still and very quiet. You scared those birds away.
Sorry, Oswald. I'll really try from now on. Mita, Mita. Did you hear that? It's the Mita bird! Hurry before she gets away! Here's another feather. Maybe we're getting closer.
I have an idea. Let's take the rowboat out on the pond where it's nice and quiet. That should be perfect for bird watching.
Super duper idea, Oswald.
Shh.
Super duper idea, Oswald.
Now, if we're very still and very quiet, maybe we'll spot the meetop bird.
Roger, Dodger.
Oh, boy!
Is it the meetop bird?
No, but there's a flock of purple wingdings right overhead.
Where? Where?
Sit down, Daisy. You're rocking the boat!
I see them! I see them!
Daisy, no!
Oops. Sorry, Oswald. Sorry, Weenie. Look, Oswald, another spotted feather. We must be getting really close to the meetop bird now. Let's go find her.
I'm sorry, Daisy, but I don't think you should go bird watching with us anymore.
Why not?
Because a bird watcher has to be very still and very quiet. And you're not.
I can't too be still and quiet, Oswald. You'll see.
Wait, Daisy! I hurt Daisy's feelings. I should go tell her I'm sorry.
Meeta, Meeta.
Oh my gosh, it's the meetop bird. Daisy, it's the meetop bird. Daisy,
Meeta,
let's go, girl.
Meeta, Meeta.
Here's another feather. And another. We're getting closer. What do you see, girl?
Meeta, Meeta.
Wow! It's the meetop bird. Gee, I wish Daisy were here to see this.
Meeta, Meeta.
It's so small. Let's move closer to get a better look.
Meeta, Meeta.
Oh my gosh! It's so big!
Meeta.
Oops!
Meeta.
Whoa!
I'm going to be very still and very quiet, no matter what happens. Very still, very quiet. Very still, very quiet.
Whoa!
What's that? No, I'm not even going to look. I'm going to be very still, very quiet. Hey, more spotted feathers. I don't care. I'm going to be very still, very... Shh, Weenie. We have to be very still and very quiet.
Help, Daisy!
Oswald?
Help!
Golly tamale! Oswald's on the back of that giant bird. What should we do, Weenie?
Use your pogo stick, Daisy!
Meeta! Meeta! Excuse me! I think my friend is stuck! On your back! Meeta?
Hello.
Meeta! Hop on, Oswald!
Here I come. Thanks, Daisy. And I'm sorry I hurt your feelings.
Yeah, well, that's okay, Oswald.
You may not be a great bird watcher, but you're a great bird catcher. Here, Daisy. Use my binoculars.
Thanks, Oswald.
Gosh, that Mita bird is so big!
Shh. If you want to birdwatch, Oswald, you have to be very still and very quiet.